guys, welcome to Review Tuesday. I'm going to review Nature Essence Aloe Vera Gel. So if you are thinking to give it a shot, I think this video will help you out. So let's get started. In the video, I just want to make clear a few things. Number one is ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर ये पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट मुझे सूट किया है तो आपको भी सूट करेगा, और मुझे अगर सूट नहीं किया है तो आपको भी सूट नहीं करेगा. इट्स माई ओपिनियन अबाउट इट एंड वी ऑल हैव डिफरेंट स्किन टाइप्स. नंबर टू is I'm not going to sugar you up. I'm just going to say you an honest review. So let's get started. It is 125 rupees and the packaging is really pretty cool. It comes in a small plastic jar, which means you can take it in travel friendly, and I have already used this much of amount, only small quantities remained. So let me say my personal experience. I feel regretted after using this Nature Essence Aloe Vera Gel. I'll say you why. Because number one, if you clearly observe in this, they have written, in case of irritation, do wash immediately. It means that somewhere the product directly says ki it can cause you irritation. Why? I'll say you. It consists of perfume, which is not at all required, that too in an aloe vera gel. Number two is color. Okay, colors, there are many aloe vera gels जिसमें color आते हैं, so it's okay to accept it, but perfume is not at all required in aloe vera gel. I'll see you why. Number one, if you have a deadly sensitive skin just like me, then it can cause you breakouts all over your face. Number two, if you apply this as a primer before you apply makeup, so in makeup you will apply foundation, you will apply concealer, which also contains somewhere perfume and which can cause you irritation feeling. Number three is, though it's I really like the texture of it. Honestly, it's very like lightweighted. I'll apply on my hands. See, it's so transparent and lightweighted. ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं लगता है कि आपने कुछ लगाया है. But as soon as you apply, and you will feel a cool sensation, which first I thought it's like a peppermint oil, so I kept it. After a minute, like 1 minute, I felt like terrible itchiness on my face. Yes, and I thought कि it's okay यार, हो सकता है थोड़ा time लगेगा to settle down on your skin. I applied 2 times, yes, morning and evening. I usually apply this 4 to 5 times, not this gel, my other aloe vera gel. I apply 4 to 5 times, and after 2 times it gave me breakouts, or terrible breakout to my skin. I did not had one pimple and it gave me so many pimples. Like, it does nothing to my face. Instead of moisturizing, hydrating, it gave me irritation and it also gave me pimples. If you have a terrible deadly sensitive skin and oil prone skin like me, I suggest you do not buy the product. Yes, we don't want to like invest on some particular product and we end up crying कि यार मैंने ऐसा क्यों किया. मत करो. But still, if you want to give a shot, the decision is yours, guys. I can only say you, but the entire decision is yours. मेरे को सूट नहीं किया है because I have a terrible sensitive skin. हो सकता है कि ये प्रोडक्ट आपको सूट किया है. So let me know in the comment section कि did you also felt the irritation or something like that. Hope you liked today's video. Till then, take care and let me know in the comment section which product review you're looking for. I would love to do it.